Java classes and objects explained a very simple way. Let's start. What is a class in Java? A class in Java is a fundamental concept that allows you to create objects with specific attributes and behaviors by defining fields, constructors, and methods. Here we have an example, a class called car, and we have a constructor which is initialized with a color and a model and a year. And here we have a method that it's going to print the car model, the color, and the year. We move on. We will explain what does mean fields, constructor, and methods. We start with a field. These are variables that hold the state of an object. In this example, we have the color, the model, and year are fields of the car class. As we seen in the previous example, we have a constructor. This is a special method that it is called when an object is instantiated. It initializes the new object. Here the constructor is the car string color, string model, and year, initializes the fields with the provided values. As we seen, we initialized the fields with this. In the methods, we have that it defines the behavior of the objects. Display info is the name of the method in our previous example, and it prints the details of the car. We move to the object. What is an object? All objects have two basic characteristics: properties or state, and a behavior. We move on. We have an example here. Each car has a state or a set of properties such as model, color, year, price, etc. And here we ask the question what each object has. Each car has a set of behaviors such as start, move, stop, turn, and accelerate, as well as park. Here we ask a question what each object does. The behaviors of the objects are represented in terms of methods. Objects are instances of predefined class.